If you're in your 30s or 40s, listen to this. Right now, you're either building your future or wasting it. Every choice you make with your time, health, and money is slowly shaping who you become. And the truth is, most people are not running out of time. They're just wasting it on the wrong things. I've been an investor now for 24 years, and the first 18 I was terrible, mainly because of a poor mindset. But in late 2018, I got into personal development, and over the last 6 years, things have massively improved since focusing on my health, mindset, and trying to make small incremental improvements. My intention with this video and this channel is to help you with my experience. Part 1, there are 2 types of people. By your late 30s, you start to see it everywhere. Some people look energized, focused, sharp, like they're just getting started. And others look drained, tired, stuck. They've aged 10 years in 5. The difference isn't luck, it's discipline. The people who win in midlife are the ones who stopped coasting. They took ownership of their energy, their body, and their time. If you're not intentional, life just happens to you. One late night here, one skip gym session there, 1 year of I'll start soon or I'll start on Monday. And before you know it, you've drifted into a version of yourself you're never meant to be. You can't control your age, but you can control your direction. Don't be like me before 2019. I was in my mid-30s, stressed a bit, worried about money, negative about most things, and heading for an early stroke or heart attack. I've seen what stress can do firsthand with my dad, and it's not the way to go, trust me. 2, lifting weight is an investment in your future self. You lose 3 to 8% of muscle every decade after 30, and it accelerates after 60. That's not just about how you look, it's about how you live. To use my poor dad as another example, he was a machine in his 20s and 30s and was built like a barn. But unfortunately, his health was in decline in his early 40s, and he ended up having a heart bypass at the age of 46, partly because he stopped going to the gym. Muscle keeps you independent. It lets you move pain-free, lift your kids, travel, stay strong. Every time you train, you're making a deposit in your future quality of life. Think of it this way, your muscles are your retirement fund for your body. And just like your pension, the earlier you invest, the more freedom you'll have later. Speaking of retirement, if you are serious about investing and retiring early, hit subscribe so we can build wealth together. Anyway, back to the video, more about health than building wealth. You don't need to be a bodybuilder. You just need to lift enough to send your body the message. I still need you to be strong, because one day you'll either be the oldest person in the gym or the youngest person in the care home. My mum is in her early 60s and unfortunately has had to overcome cancer in recent years. She's been in remission for the last 3 years and her strength is inspiring. She's been going to the gym, lifting weights consistently now for the last 3 years. I believe this lifestyle change will add decades to her life. 3, you are what you eat. We all know this phrase, but most of us don't live it. Your food is your fuel, your focus, your mood, and your recovery. It's not just about your waistline, it's about your mindset. If you're constantly tired, unfocused, or irritable, it's probably not because life's too stressful. It's because your nutrition's too poor. When you eat processed junk, you're teaching your body to crash. When you eat real food, fruit, veg, lean protein, whole carbs, you stabilize your energy and emotions. Your mental health is tied to your gut health. What you eat literally affects how you think and feel. So stop chasing motivation and start feeding your brain properly. Most people I know eat far too many takeaways. Bad for your health and wallet. Just look at a member of my school community. He's stopped eating takeaways and eating out in recent months and has saved himself £490 per month. If he invests his spare money every single month into a low-cost index fund, he would end up with £372,000 after 20 years. 4, sleep, the ultimate performance hack. The main thing I got wrong for many years, my wife has always told me, was how important sleep was. But I didn't listen until 2023 when I nearly burned myself out, trying to push hard on 5 to 6 hours of sleep. I just have to accept that my wife is right 99% of the time. Sleep isn't a reward, it's a requirement, it's a must. If you're skipping sleep, you're not hustling. You're self-sabotaging. Sleep is when your brain clears waste, your muscles repair, and your emotions reset. It's literally how your body heals itself. 7 to 9 hours according to the expert. like Matthew Walker, is what we need. Same bedtime, same wake time, dark, cool, quiet room. Fix your sleep and your body, mind and productivity all improve instantly. The most successful people aren't the busiest, they're the best rested. And when you look into it, sleep is your silent superpower. If you don't get enough sleep, it affects things like testosterone levels and can even lead to serious diseases like dementia. It's important. 5. Embrace technology or get left behind. Let's be honest, technology isn't slowing down for anyone. When we were younger, it was the internet. Now it's AI, automation and digital investing. The world's moving fast, and pretending it's not won't help. Learn the tools that make life easier. Budgeting apps, AI tools, investing platforms. They're not for tech people, they're for anyone who wants more time, clarity and control. There are loads of options to choose from if you want to invest into AI. My biggest position is in an AI crypto that experts are comparing to Bitcoin 10 years ago. If you want to find out more, type yes below. That little comment will help my channel. Or you can just click the link for a recent video, again below in the description. 6. Master your focus. Distraction is the new addiction. Every scroll, every ping, every notification, it's stealing your focus and your future. Your attention is your most valuable asset. And right now, someone else is monetizing it every time you pick up your phone. Set phone-free hours. I do this at 8 p.m. if I'm sat with my wife and my daughters. To be honest, I don't do this all the time, but I'm trying to make it a daily habit because I'm aware how much time most of us waste on our phones. The more focused you become, the faster your life improves because focus multiplies results. And if you don't believe me, look at some Dan Depani videos here on YouTube. I'll leave some of his videos below in the description. 7. Money is a great servant, but a terrible master. Money isn't the enemy. Mismanaging it is. When you let money control your life, you work endlessly just to survive. When you control your money, you work to live. Stop chasing shiny things that impress strangers and start buying time and peace instead. Pay off bad debt. Automate investment into your pension and ISA. Buy assets, not distractions, because real wealth isn't about looking rich, it's about not worrying anymore. And if you want help and support with money, with investing, you can join my free investing community on School, and the link can be found below in the description. As always, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice, and the full disclaimer can be found below in the description. 8. The formula for success. Here's the formula that quietly wins every single time. 1. Show up every day. When I'm getting overwhelmed, normally at night when I'm overthinking, I ask myself, did I put 100% effort into my day? If the answer is yes, I'm okay, and it normally stops the overthinking. 2. Do the work, even when it's boring. 3. Improve a little bit every time. It's not glamorous, but it works. That's how you build wealth, strength, peace, and freedom all at once. This isn't me saying I've got it all sussed out, by the way. I'm a work in progress, let's put it that way. All I'm trying to do with this video, with this channel, is to help as many people as possible with my experience. So on that note, if you feel this info can help any of your friends, any of your family, send them the link. That will again help me in my little channel. And as always, I'll do my best to help anyone who watches my YouTube videos or joins my free school community. Summary. If you're in your 30s or 40s and you feel behind, stop worrying about what you should have done. Start focusing on what you can still do, because time doesn't wait. And it's not about having more hours, it's about using the ones you've got wisely. Build the body, fix your money, protect your time, because that's what builds freedom. And if you're ready to turn your time into freedom, you can learn the simple plan to escape your 9 to 5. See below for a recent video.